Klaro ninyo kaya kong i-share? Hello.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. So again, nag-make up class ko because of doon na lang one or two meetings na lang ang nabili nato. So napatay three remaining topics. So karon duha ka topics dayon possible na duha ka kuan na lang basta mga May 22 ang atong tentative nga schedule nga sa final exam. Okay, so you're through with the Laplace transform. So now you're inverse Laplace transform. So from the Laplace transform of function of t is equal to function of s, the value of function of t is called the inverse Laplace transform of function of s. So you have here the inverse symbol. You have L inverse Laplace of function of s equal to function of t. So ato na sang ibalik siya. Where L raised to the power of -1 is called the inverse Laplace transformation. Now, so we have here the table of inverse transform. So we know that inverse Laplace transform of L-1 is equal to inverse Laplace transform of 1 over a is equal to 1. Then inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus c is equal to e to the et. So balik na ni siya class. So ibali na sa dato ni siya. Okay, so up to sa katapusan we have here number 7 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus e squared is equal to 1 over a sine hyperbolic bt. Then number 9, so we have 1 over s inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus s minus a squared plus b squared is equal to 1 over b e to the t sine bt. Now, number 12, so we have here the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over a squared plus b squared raised to the power of 2 is equal to 1 over 2b cubed sine bt minus bt cosine bt. So we have here the theorems. So we have two theorems here. That theorem number 1, if a and b are constant, so inverse Laplace transform of a function of s plus b g function of s is equal to a inverse Laplace transform of function of s. So atong factor out ang constant. Then we have also b inverse Laplace transform of g function of s. Then theorem number 2, the inverse Laplace transform of function of s is equal to a to negative et inverse Laplace transform of function of s minus a. So, for example, here we have find the inverse Laplace transform of 8 minus 3s plus s squared over s cubed. So we have here you're going to divide each term. Atong buhaton na niya atong i-divide each term. So we have inverse Laplace transform of 8 over s cubed minus 3s over s cubed plus s over s squared. So we have here using theorem number 1, you're going to factor out constant. So we have 8 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s cubed minus 3 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s squared plus inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s. Now, so 1 over s cubed, so naman tayo formula kung 1 over s cubed, unsa man diri? 1 over s to the n is equal to t to the n minus 1 over n minus 1. So muna itong so we have here 8 so we have 8 t to the 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 factorial minus 3t minus 1 2 minus 1 factorial plus 1. Ano siya? Diba? So we have t to the n minus 1 over n minus 1 factorial plus inverse Laplace transform 1 over s, that is equal to 1. So we have here the inverse Laplace transform of 8 minus 3s plus e squared over s cubed is equal to 4t squared minus 3t plus 1. So another sample. So Find the inverse Laplace transform of 5 over s minus 2 minus 4s over s squared plus 9. So we have here inverse Laplace transform of 5 over s minus 2 minus 4s over s squared plus 9. So using theorem number 1, wherein you're going to factor out the constant. So we have here 5 inverse Laplace transform 1 over s minus 2 minus 4 inverse Laplace transform of s over s squared plus 9. So we have here 5. So kabalo man ta 1 over s minus 2 is equal to e to the 2t. Ba? O, 1 over s minus e is equal to e to the 2t. So so we have here 5 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 2. So s minus 2 is 5 e to the 2t inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 4 inverse Laplace transform of s over s squared plus 3 squared. Now we know that the inverse Laplace, actually kung mayroon kag 5 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 2, pwede naman ka mayroon e to the 2t. Pero actually pakita sa inyo nga pwede sa 5 e to the 2t, 5 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s. Anyway, the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s is equal to 1. In this one, 4 inverse Laplace transform s over s squared plus 3 squared. So, using this formula, kani itong gamiton. Sama ni siya. S squared plus 9 squared. So, meaning, you're going to use cosine. Okay? So, you're going to use cosine. So, we have here 5 e to the 2t minus 4 cosine 3t, or we have 5 over e to the t minus 4 cosine 3t. Another example, if you have here, find the inverse Laplace transform of 7 over e squared plus 9. So, factor out 7. So, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over e squared plus square root of 6 squared. Anyway, square root of 6 squared is equal to 6 naman gyapon. So, unsa man ni siya itong gamiton na ni? We're going to use kaning 1 over a squared plus b squared, so 1 over b sine bt. So we have here 7 times 1 over b man. So matong b na to is square root of 6 and sine square root of 6. So you can simplify further 7 times 1 over square root of 6 by multiplying both numerator and denominator by square root of 6. So we have here 7 square root of 6 over 6 sine square root of 6. So another example here, so we have performed the indicated operation. Inverse Laplace transform of s minus 5 over s squared plus s minus 6. So inverse Laplace transform of s minus 5 over s plus 3. So kani siya, partial fraction fraction man ni siya. So atong kwaon, ato ni siyang i-kuan, atong tagsaon ni. So we know that partial fraction ni. So s minus 5 over s plus 3 plus s minus 2 equal to a over s plus 3 plus b over s minus 2. So our objective here is how to get this a and b. So we have here s minus 5, a is minus 2 plus b is plus 3. So if you're going to set s is equal to negative 3, we can solve for a, where a is equal to 8 over 5. Or we're going to set s is equal to 2, or b is equal to negative 3/5. So the inverse Laplace transform of itong a na to is 8 over 5 is plus 3 minus 3 over 5 is minus 2. Factor out na to ang using theorem number 1. You're going to factor out ng mga constant. So we have 8 over 5 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 3 minus 3 over 5 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s is minus 2. So, dali na kayo ni siya. 8 over 5 a negative 3t. So, tanaw na ni mo this table. Ano rin nga table mo? Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus a is equal to a to the 80. So, muna siya. A to negative 3t kani minus 3/5 a to the 2t. Okay. So, our last example here. uh, find the inverse transform of 2 squared plus 5 is minus 6 over is cubed minus 3 squared minus 13 is plus 15. So here, you're going to factor now the denominator. So first, if you're going to set is equal to 1, so i-substitute na to ang kung is na to is equal to 1, we know that the equivalent is equal to 0, so meaning we can set a factor of is minus 1 is a factor. Next is f negative 1, so dili siya pwede kay 24 man. F equal to 3, di gyapon negative 24. Kung f negative 3, kita na to, so equal to 0, so nanaset another factor which is equal to is plus 3. Next is if f is equal to 5, so ano na siya, so equal to 0, so meaning makasita og factor is minus 5. So the factor for denominator, we have here is cubed minus 3 is squared minus 13 is plus 15 is equal to is minus 1 is plus 3 times is minus 5. So 2 is squared plus 5 is minus 6 over is cubed minus 3 is squared minus 13 is plus 15. So we have here 2 is cubed plus 5 is minus 6 over is minus 1 plus is plus 3 is minus 5. So ato na sana siyang ikuan sa partial fraction. So 2 is squared plus 5 is minus 6 is minus 1 is plus 3 is minus 5. A over is minus 1, B over is plus 3, then C over is minus 5. So itong ikuan cross multiply, so 2 is squared plus 5 is minus 6, A is plus 3 is minus 5, B is minus 1 is minus 5, gani C is minus 1 is plus 3. So here ato na siyang isit nato nga isit nato siya nga kani naon ta nato ni siya. Set is equal to 1 where A is equal to negative over 16. Sunod, set is equal to negative 3 where our B is equal to negative 3 over 2. Then set S is equal to 5. So we have here C is equal to 69. So ang atong A o B o C, so we have inverse Laplace transform of negative 1 over 16 is minus 1 plus minus 3 over 32 is plus 3 plus 69 over 32 over is minus 5. So we have here negative 1 over 16, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over is minus 1, minus 3 over 32, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over is plus 3, plus 69 over 32, inverse Laplace transform of 1 over is minus 5. So, saan ito man eh? Kani siya, sika to negative 1 over 16 a to the t, kani negative 3 over 32 a negative 3t, kani 69 over 32 a to the 5t. So, that's all for the inverse Laplace transform. Dali ra kay inverse Laplace transform. So, ato na siyang gikan ka sa time, gikan ka sa frequency, ato na siyang ibalik dito sa time. Katong sa Laplace transform, gikan man to sa time to frequency. Okay, so next is that. Kani maklaro ninyo ni Kani klaro ninyo?
Wala, sir.
Kani
Ano
kani.
na?
Ana. Oh.
Okay na, sir.
Okay na. So, we're now in the simultaneous differential equation using Laplace transform. So, if you're going to consider a pair of differential equation involving as an independent variable t, so dx dt with dy dt, so variable atong t, such as a time variable and the two independent variables, independent variables kaning dx of dy, so ang application ani such as electric currents or linear displacement. So we have here the general format is as follows: a sub 1 dx dt plus b1 dy dt plus c1 of x plus d1y equal to f sub 1 of t. Then we have here a sub 2 dx dt plus b2 dy dt plus c2x plus d2y equal to f sub 2 t. So to solve this equation simultaneously, we take the Laplace transform of each equation to simultaneous algebraic equation from which we will determine x function of s and y function of s, and the Laplace transform of x function of t and y function of t respectively. So, for example here, solve the following pair of simultaneous differential equation. So, kag dx dt plus dy dt equal to 5e to the t. So, actually, pwede na to na siya ma-solve class. Kuan lang, normal lang kuan class. Pamaagi. So, pwede na to na nga i-eliminate na to ang uban ani, ang pwede na to ni siya nga to i-eliminate una ang dy dt para ang dx dt atong solbon. So, but using a Laplace transform, mas dali siya. So, napare ang usa ka pair of differential equation, we have dy dt minus 3 dx dt equal to 5, given that when t is 0, x is 0, y is 0. So, taking Laplace transform, so, kani siya. Aning equation number 1, so is kung dx dt, di ba, is Laplace transform of x minus x function of 0. Kadumdum mo tong dito sa derivative sa Laplace. Then, s Laplace dy dt is Laplace transform of y minus y 0 equal to 5, kay imong 5 ito dati equal to 5 over is minus 1 man na siya. Ba? Dy dt is Laplace transform of y minus y function of 0 minus 3 dx dt. 3 is Laplace transform of x minus x times 0 equal to 5 over s. Ako sa ipakita sa inyo para ma-appreciate ninyo nganong nainana na siya. Kita ninyo? Hello? Hello? Makita ninyo?
Yes, sir.
Kani ba? Kani akong gigamit ba? Base na tingala mo nung inato man to. Kani akong gigamit nga equation. Tara ba to? Kani. So, di ba? Kining first order derivative, so di ba na kay df dt, so munit atong dx dt is Laplace transform function of t minus function of 0. So mo ni siya kung gibot pa sa bot ani. Yun sa base matingala mo asa ni gikuha ni kani siya o. Kani siya. Kani o kani gikan na siya ani. First derivative man ta, di ba? Mo ni siya. Okay. So we know that this one kani siya o ano ni siya problema kay unsa man ni siya? When when t is 0, x equal to 0, and when t is 0, y is 0, so bot pasabot kani siya, 0 ni siya. Kani siya, 0 ni siya. Kani 0 ni siya. Kani 0 ni siya. So nabilin 2 is Laplace transform of x plus is Laplace transform of y equal to 5 over s minus 1. Minus 3 is Laplace transform of x plus is Laplace transform of y equal to 5s. So we are going to subtract equation 2 from negative 1. So unsa may mawala kaning is Laplace transform of y. So to i-work out nato dire ang is Laplace transform ang Laplace transform of x. So the Laplace transform of x now ikan ta dire 5 over s minus 1 minus 5 over s or equal to 5 over s minus 1. So we have here Laplace transform. Di naman ka dire. Divide pa yun nimo. So Laplace transform of x. So may muna ni siyang 5 over s squared minus s minus 1 equal to 1 over s squared minus s minus 1. Now, so ato na siyang i-transform into partial fraction. So 1 over s squared minus 1. So sa atong kana to i-print kadumdum sa inyong integral kani a over s kani b over s squared plus c over s minus 1 or equal to this one is equal to es s minus 1 plus bs then c squared over s squared s minus 1. From which ang atong 1 is equal to a is s minus 1 plus b is minus 1 plus c squared. So first you're going to set s is equal to 0 kani 0 man ni siya, di ba? So set is equal to 0. So pila man atong kaniri. Atong b nato is equal to negative 1. No, next set is equal to s minus is equal to 1 kani. So makuha na to ang c nga equal to 1. So equating squared din ta dire dayon kani kay di man siya pwede kay squared man siya dire. So mag-equate ang squared dire coefficient. So may tabuan we have here may mabilin dire a squared kani b squared kani c squared. So we have here equating squared. So we have a kani pila man wala may kani wala man ni siya b squared dire. So b is man ni. So e og e radyod og c. So 0 a plus c. So therefore we know that our atong a karon is equal to negative 1. Substitute nato ni atong where atong b c is equal to 1. So we have here x inverse Laplace transform. Ato ni substitute dire. Balik dia. So inverse Laplace transform negative 1 over s minus 1 over s squared plus 1 over s minus 1. So the inverse Laplace transform of negative 1 over s, negative 1. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s squared, negative t. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s minus 1 equal to a to the t. Or x now is equal to, pila to x? A to the t minus t minus 1. From equation number 1, ato na sang trabaho na to ang Laplace transform. Na naman atong x, kung ano sa nato x is a function of time. Sunod na sad ang y function of time. So you're going to eliminate now Laplace transform of x. Now here from equation 1 you have 2 is Laplace transform of x plus is Laplace transform of y equal to 5 over s minus 1. So we have here 2 is Laplace transform of pwede sad kani class kabadom tas Laplace transform of x equal to atong x equal to negative a to the t minus 1 plus s Laplace transform of y equal to 5 over s minus 1. So kani Laplace transform of a to the t 1 over s minus 1 kani negative 1 over s squared kaning Laplace transform of 1 over s. So to simplify, so we have here 2s s minus 1 minus 2 over s kani minus 2. So s Laplace transform of y equal to 5 over s minus 1 minus 2s over s minus 1 plus 2 over s plus 2. So we have here, pareha naman sila wagkuhan ba? 5 minus 2 is s minus 1 plus 2 over s plus 2. So we have here Laplace transform of y equal to 5 minus 2s plus s squared 2 over s squared plus 2 over s. Now, so napatay problem kwan dire. Kani ato pa na siya i-work out nato na siya. So into Laplace fractional fraction. So 5 minus 2s over s minus 1 equal to a over s plus b over s minus 1. So kwaon to ni a og b where a now is equal to negative 5 then b is equal to 3. So balik din ta dire. So y Laplace transform of negative 5 over s kabalo man ta nga 5 minus 2s is equal to a over s b over s minus 1. So but nana kay 2 over s dire, di ba? O nana man kay 2 over s. So imo lang sila i-add na nimo sila negative 5 over s of 2 over s is negative 3 over s kani 3 over s minus 1 plus 2 over s squared. So inverse Laplace transform of s minus 1 is equal to 3 times 3 e to the t. Inverse Laplace transform of 2 over s squared equal to 2t. Negative 3 inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s equal to negative 3. So, nana kay y is a function of time which is equal to 3e to the t plus 2t minus negative 3. Now, another example, so kani medyo taas-taas sa yun na siya doon dire. Kani siya class, nakita lang nato dire sa yun na siya kung when the condition, kung when t is 0, x 0, y equal to 0. Ang pait ani class kung ingon tag t is 0, then ay mga value ng x o kanang y. Okay. So another sample problem. So we have a 2 dy dt minus y plus x dx dt minus 5 sin t equal to 0. And 3 dy dt plus x minus y plus 2 dx dt minus a to the t give it when t is 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Taking the Laplace transform, gamiton na sa nato tong sa kanina sa gamiton tani siya nga principle. So we have here 2 is Laplace transform of y minus y function of 0 minus Laplace transform of y. Kani, Laplace transform of y na kadito plus Laplace transform of x. Then kani, dx dt is Laplace transform of x minus x function of 0 minus ang sin t na to, di ba? 5 over e squared minus 1 equal to 0. Kani, 3, then derivative is Laplace transform of y minus y function of 0 plus Laplace transform of x minus Laplace transform of y plus 2 is Laplace transform of x minus x function of 0. Kani, that is 1 over s minus 1 equal to 0. So, of course, when you're going to apply now the condition, so it is very clear that this one is kani klaro na ni sila nga 0. So, ang may tabuan you can factor out now 2 is minus 1 Laplace transform of y kay kani naman ni siya plus kani factor out Laplace transform of x s plus 1 Laplace transform of x equal to 5 over kani niya a squared minus 1. Kani sadya ato ni simplify, so 3s minus 1 Laplace transform of y kani kani unsa man siya Laplace transform of x that is 2 is 2 is plus 1 plus 1 Laplace transform of x, then ato ibalhin na dito spekas, that is 1 over s minus 1. So here, if you're going to multiply now the equation 1, kani siya. Kaning equation by multiplying 3s minus 1, that will give us 3s minus 1, 2s Laplace 2s minus 1 Laplace transform of y, 3s minus 1 s plus 1 Laplace transform of x, so to 3s times 5 over a squared minus 1. Now, equation number 2, kani, multiply mo 2s minus 1, that will give us 2s minus 1 times 3s minus 1 Laplace transform of y, then kani 2s minus 1, 2s Laplace transform of 1 Laplace transform of x equal to 2s then 1 over s minus 1. So, if you're going to subtract 4 from 3, so nawala karon ang Laplace transform of y, ang nabilin karon is Laplace transform of x. So 3 squared plus 2s minus 1 minus 4s minus 1, 4 squared minus 1 Laplace transform of x equal to 3s minus 1 squared plus 1 minus 2s minus 1 over s minus 1. So kita na to dire, negative a squared plus 2s Laplace transform of x equal to 3s then s minus 1 minus 2s minus 1 then s squared plus 1 over s minus 1 s squared plus 1. So we have here ato rin siyang i-divide diya. So Laplace transform of x now equal to 15s minus, simplify na siya, 20s plus 5 minus 2s cubed minus 2s plus s squared plus 1 over, so kita ni mo dire. So it's a factor of s minus 2, s minus 1, then s squared plus 2. So meaning, so x inverse Laplace transform of 2s cubed minus 16s squared plus 22s minus 16 over s minus 2, s minus 1, s squared plus 1. So ato na siya rin siyang i-transform to partial fraction by a over s, b over s minus 2 plus c over s minus 1 plus kani. Basta kani na squared plus 1, primitin na siya ds plus a, then s squared plus 1. So here, by atong i-simplify na to, makuha na to atong a negative 3, ang c negative 1, ang b negative 1, ang d is equal to negative 5. So equating is cube para makuha na to ang a which is equal to 5. And also equating is to the fourth para makuha na to ang d is equal to 5. So ano ni karon, x inverse Laplace transform, ato i-substitute din dire. So we have here negative 3 over s, 1 over s minus 2 minus 1 over s minus 1, and 5s plus s squared plus 1. So panantang Laplace transform man so you have negative 3 minus a to negative 2t, kani 1 a to the 5t, kani 5s over s squared plus 1, that is 5 cosine t, then 5 over s squared plus 1, that is 5 sine t, or x equal to 5 cosine t plus 5 sine t minus a to negative 2t minus a to the t minus 3. So muna ni ang atong x. Now, for y, mo gyapon, pwede sa nimo nga substitute mo ng x dito sa kani nga equation, sa equation number 1. Or pwede sa nato nga atong multiply of 2s plus 1 ang equation number 1, then s plus 1, so multiply ito in order to eliminate the Laplace transform of x, in which Laplace transform of y na lang atong na bilin diri. That is negative s cubed plus 9s squared minus 16s over s minus 2, s minus 1, s squared plus 1. So the same process gapon sa pagkuha na to sa Laplace transform of x. Ano siya ang atong a negative 3, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 1, d is equal to 0. So ato ibalik dito, so y inverse Laplace transform of negative 3 over s plus 2 over s minus 1 plus 1 over s minus 2 minus 5 over s squared plus 1. So atong y karon is equal to negative 3 inverse Laplace transform of 3 over s, that is negative 3 kani 2 over h minus 1 to e to the t, kani e to the 2t, kani 5 over e squared, that is 5 sine t, or y e to the 2t plus 2 e to the t minus 3 minus 5 sine t. So, our last example, so kanina, medyo mo na ako ingon sa inyo. Not all the time ang atong t na to, atong x na to equal to 0, and also our y. But in this case, this is a differential ni siya because the first equation is second derivative of x with respect to time minus x equal to y. And another equation, we have second derivative of y with respect to time plus y equal to negative x, given that when t is 0, x equal to 2, when t is 0, y equal to 1. And when t is 0, our dx dt equal to 0 and dy dt is equal to 0. So taking the Laplace transform of h in h term, in h equation. So that is kani. Oh. Ikan derivative man ni siya. So kani atong gamiton. Kani na siya nga equation gamiton. So s squared Laplace transform of x minus s x function of 0 minus x prime 0 minus Laplace transform of x equal to Laplace transform of y. We have here a squared Laplace transform of y minus s y function of 0. Oh, kani. So, kani na sad. Plus Laplace transform of y equal to negative Laplace transform of x. So, when t is 0, x equal to 2. So, aman dire. When t is 0, y equal to negative 1. When x equal to 0, dx dt equal to 0. When t is 0, dy dt is equal to 0. So, ato i-substitute nato kani squared Laplace transform of x. Mani, unsa man ni siya? X, when t is 0, x equal to 2. So, that is why nahimo na siyang 2s. Kani siya, why problema na siya? 0 man na siya. Kani, minus Laplace transform x equal to Laplace transform of y. Kanina sad nga equation 2. Squared Laplace transform of y plus kani. May problema na siya because when t is 0, y equal to negative 1, that is why negative s times negative 1 equal to plus s plus Laplace transform of y equal to negative Laplace transform of x. So, atong i-rearrange. So, we have here a squared minus 1 Laplace transform of x minus Laplace transform of y equal to 2s. Ayun, kanina sa dato i-rearrange na siya. Laplace transform of x plus a squared Laplace transform of y equal to negative s. So, equation 3, atong multiplyan og a squared plus 1, and atong equation 4, atong multiplyan og 1, so that will give us a squared plus 1, a squared minus 1, Laplace transform of x minus a squared plus 1, Laplace transform of y. So we have here Laplace transform of x plus a squared plus 1 times Laplace transform of y equal to negative 6 muna atong equation number 6. Now, adding equation 5, kani, ito equation 5 and equation 6. So, in order to eliminate now the Laplace transform of y. So, atong makuha dire is Laplace transform of x. So, we have here s to the 4th Laplace transform of x equal to 2s cubed. Ito, simplify ta ni siya. 2s cubed plus s or equal to s. Factor out ito. Pwede siya na to. Or s 2 squared plus 1. So, ito ni i-divide niya. So, from which Laplace transform of x equal to s 2 squared plus 1 over s to the 4th, or we have here 2 squared plus 1 over s cubed. So divide na to each term. So 2 squared over s cubed plus 1 over s squared. So equal to 2 over s plus 1 over s cubed. Hence, x inverse Laplace of 2 over s, that is equal to 2. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s cubed, that is sa ganito, t n minus 1 over n minus 1 factorial. So, ang may tabuan over n minus 1 factorial. So may tabuan 3 minus 1 3 minus 1, so that is 3 minus 1 factorial is equal to 2. Ano siya karon? Or a equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 squared. Now, balik ko sa equation number 3. In equation number 3, so, and 4 to determine y, so, 1 equation 3 and a squared minus 1 equation 4. So, ma-eliminate na. So, we have here a squared minus 1 Laplace transform of x minus Laplace transform of y equal to 2s or a squared dayon is kaning equation 4 by multiplying a squared minus 1. So, we have a squared minus 1 Laplace transform of x plus a squared minus 1 a squared plus 1 Laplace transform of y equal to negative s squared minus 1. So, atong i-subtract in order to eliminate now Laplace transform of x. So, nabilin diri is Laplace transform of y. So, that is negative 1 minus a squared minus 1, then a squared plus 1 Laplace transform of y equal to 2s plus s squared minus 1. So, or negative s to the fourth Laplace transform of y equal to s cubed plus s, or Laplace transform of y equal to s cubed plus s over minus s to the fourth. Then atong i-divide each term. So negative 1 over s minus 1 over s cubed. So from which the inverse Laplace transform of negative 1 over s minus inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s cubed. Kaning 1 over s, that's negative 1. Kani negative 1 half t squared. So muna ni atong value na to sa y o kaning sa x. So, ang problema lang dyan, ani class, pre, nani nga condition nga atong x o y na value. Ang kuan pa yun, ani, kung imong dx dt na value. So, medyo bantayonon lang yun siya. Pero kung tanawin mo, bawaan mo ang process, wala siya problema. Okay, so, Mika, pwede na screenshot mo ni Mika?
Sir, topic, sir.
Palag sa pa ni Mika, be.
Sige, sige.
Kani nga topic.
Dano, sir.
Kani. Palag ko ni Mika.
Sige, sir. Sige, sir. And now,
Okay na? Okay na, Mika?
okay na, sir.
Okay, so, konsa ko, photo op sa tabi. So, thank you kayo. That's all for today.
Princess ako, sir.
Sige, sige. Then on next Friday, duha ka topic ako ikon sa inyo. Kung makaya na ko tong power series. Ako to i-appeal.
Kasi kasa ganun din lang itong pag-insert.
Kano sa ganito, nauto dito sa kwan, ubos dito sa kwan. Ito inyo akong giatag.
May 7.
Oh,
Thank you.
sige, sige. So, thank you kayo.
Good evening, sir.
Oh.
Sir, katong regarding sa ProbStat 4, sir, kanang basin pwede mahangyo nga around 6 or 5 p.m. maatong May 7, sir. 2
Pwede
p.m.
na.
ang gunang kabutang, sir.
Sige lang,
Salamat, sir.
okay lang.
Okay, sir.
Palihog lang ko. Mika, pwede ra. Ikaw, duha mo tingali mo diyan, Mika. Pwede ra mo madawat ani Mika. Anyway, mga alas 7 pa man ko ano, dugay pa ko kali with that way. Unsa kay nang adlaw gani, Mika?
I receive, sir.
Oh, sige nang adlaw.
Pwede rin, sir. I think Thursday.
Thursday ba?
Thursday,
dugay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Pwede rin yun. Importante stable dito din. Iyan lang din lain na dyan yung mga section na yun. Okay ra.
Okay, sir.
Problema.
Mga 6 p.m. nang namo yatot, sir. Thank you.
Kailan nyo, na siya nagpasa na sa nag-EI na sa nagpasa. Ito, saon ko na siya eh. Gusto nga, kwan, di naman yun, mas may mong gusto kwan, pwede naman na magamit og EI, pero yun sa i-rewrite o yung balik from sabtan. Sige, so anyway, thank you kayo. Okay, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Sige.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Hi, sir.
Sige.